Ditches are cleared with a custom-made hoe bucket. A tree is excavated with piston-powered shoveling arms. A steamroller chops excess asphalt with a cutting blade. An excavator shovel effortlessly repositions train tracks. A rotary grapple cuts a drinking hole for livestock. An irrigation ditch is smoothed out with a bucket attachment. A Deere bulldozer removes an old asphalt driveway. A power washer with 7 spray tips cleans up. Bricks are snagged and loaded with a hydraulic arm. Powder is sintered into blocks with a hydraulic press. Perforated lines are painted with a mobile airless sprayer. Bricks are uniformly loaded onto a tray and secured. Leaves get sucked up with a pendulous vacuum. A rake-like arm collects rocks in a field. Rebar footing is carefully bent using a bending machine. Scoopers oscillate to remove and relocate highway snow. Compactors crush brick and mortar into fresh aggregate. A hydraulically powered arm extracts bedrock for good construction. A chain connected to an excavator removes a stubborn sewer grate. A triangular bucket rig carves out space for guardrails. A gear-powered series of small shovels hauls product. The plaster is smoothed out with a robotic trowel machine. A tree transporter demonstrates its shoveling hydraulic power. A tricone drill spins counterclockwise to carve a hole. Intense machinery lays railroad ties, fasteners, and track. An Echo Pass 230 attachment spins to displace leaves. A swamp dozer backs up a river. Railroad sleepers are replaced with a custom-fit attachment. Shoveled cement gets smoothed out with a pavement leveler. Molded ditch slabs are lowered neatly with an excavator. An all-in-one scoop and mix cement truck does it all. Slurry wall construction is achieved with a clamshell bit. A Vogel Super 2100 3i paver lays out a smooth finish. An orientated excavator shovel fills in a track line. Gravity plummets a cable rig shovel into the ground. An arrow shaft is filled in with molten epoxy paint. Gravel is distributed evenly to achieve chip sealing. A ditch is formed with a concrete U-channel machine. A cement pole is submerged with a hydraulic hammer. Bollards are driven in with a hydraulic piling machine. An XL rotary grapple spins to snag moss. An XCMG excavator chisel chips off a boulder. Clay-based land is tilled with a rake excavator. Salt gets relocated with a bucket wheel reclaimer. Rebar submerged in cement spins to form a vase column. A Komatsu mining truck is operated via remote control. Dirt gets tampered with by a hands-free motorized dirt compactor. Winch and cable impossibly suspend a wall excavator. tractor tool neatly shears off fresh asphalt.